Hi, my name is Sandy Ryan and I'm a physical therapist here at BOCES. Physical therapists in the school system work on your child's gross motor skills. And gross motor skills are such activities as running, jumping, skipping, moving throughout the classroom, and navigating the school environment, and activities that they would work on within the playground and PE class. Some of the areas that we work on to help these skills include endurance and strength, and some of the activities the equipment that we use are treadmills and scooter boards, exercise mats, and exercises on a therapy ball. To improve balance, we work on a variety of balance beams and balance boards. To improve your child's coordination, we can use a variety of toys and various sports equipment. And another thing that we work on is about body awareness, and we can set up an obstacle course for them to move throughout, and also do movements in various directions, such as forward, backward, right, and left. In PT, our goal for this school year is to improve your child's physical activity while providing a safe environment.